welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute. It has been a little bit. I say this at every intro of every video I've made. It has been a little bit since I've made a video because I have just been finishing work late and I have not been ready to film this video. If you couldn't already tell from the title of the video and the intro to this video, I'm going to be doing a white box collaboration with Sarah's Day try on haul. Now, you may have noticed that one was already opened. That's because I couldn't help myself and I had already tried it on because I'm impatient and I've been waiting for like a week to do this video. So I did try them on and I just right off the bat, I'm very happy with them. It was well worth the money spent on them. I'm glad I got the size that I guessed because we did go off the sizing chart. If you scroll down the page, you can see the sizing chart and it has your measurements, and if I went off that I would have been an extra large, but something in my gut was telling me get a large. The large will be fine, and that it is the perfect fit for what I like my activewear to be sat on my body, if that makes any sense at all. The fabric is thick. She is thick, so I'm wearing very bright underwear today for the purpose of this video, so we can do a few squats in these properly and we can see if they are indeed squat proof, because I haven't tested that out yet. So I got the Speckle Range and I got the Midnight Camo. Yeah. So we'll go through what I got first and then we'll try it all on. Starting with the Speckle Range, I obviously got these shorts. They're the first thing I ever tried on. Then I got the leggings, the full length leggings. I got the bra, but I'm very skeptical with this one because it seems a bit small. Now this one I got an extra large in, but it's just the height of the band I'm not sure is going to cover me the way I like, but we will see. I got the jumper in a medium, the baggy oversized jumper in a medium, because she's always said just to get your normal size because it is a little bit over your size anyway. Oh, that's not. Anyway, yeah, that's it in the Speckle Range. And then same again, I got the bra in the Midnight Camo. Yeah, same deal. I feel like the band is a little bit short rather than fuller coverage for those with I got the leggings, yes, but I didn't get the shorts because they weren't in stock of the large. They only had like a small or extra small left. That's sad, but we replaced it with the Windrunner, the Windbreaker in the Midnight Camo. I don't remember what that size was, but I always have liked the blue and the pink, the blue and like the coral pink one. But seeing as I already had put these in my cart, I thought I would actually match my activewear because I've never ever owned activewear that matches. So this is exciting for me. And then again, the jumper in the Midnight Camo. So, sorry about the terrible lighting. It's make do. I feel like I want to try on first the speckled. So, I've already tried on these, so I'm going to try on the leggings instead first. Oh yeah, it's got the White Fox Active and the Sarah's Day collaboration. Once again, these are a large. Oh yeah, I forgot they have the drawstring. Because my stomach's like really weird. Like she's a little bit chunky, but she's a little bit weird. Pants always seem to roll down on me. No matter how tight they are or how loose they are, they just go down. So this will be good because where my waist comes in, I can just cut that circulation right off. I actually might put the leggings, the bra, and the jumper on, just so we get the whole idea and I can go through it at the same time. All right. Here we go. This is me in the activewear. I didn't realize that the top and the bottom would be different color, but like, that's okay. I don't really care that much. The oversized jumper is very oversized, like it obviously suggested. That's a medium. But yeah, we can just crumple it up and do all the fun things with that. The pants are very comfy. They're very well fitted and they come to about there. And you can see my weird belly. But the drawstring obviously really helps. And I did a few squats in the mirror and I believe they are squat proof, but obviously with like super bright underwear, you're gonna see a little bit like every time. So yeah, I think I saw a few stripes in there, but that's okay. Now, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get censored for this part, but the bra, as I suspected, is a little ill-fitting. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to cut this out completely because I don't like it. I don't like it. It's the underboob. So I've like fiddled with them, tried to fit them in. A little bit of spillage over here, but you know, what are you gonna do? It's still, I would still wear it, but it obviously won't offer me that kind of support that I need for one with said big boobs. Okay, I'm gonna do the same with the midnight camo. I've ruined my buns. I'm just gonna take my hair out. I just had to film this one before I put the jacket on because I'm gonna put the windbreaker on, but the only thing that I would request be changed in the activewear is the tops for fuller women. So that's the back. It's just the normal strippity straps, and if you can't see from what's going on here, it doesn't fit. My are a little big and the bra is not accommodating to that. So we've got spillage here, we've got definite spillage here, and same on the other side. So I just thought I'd pop that in there before I put on the jumper and have to take it off again. So yeah, that's what's going on here. Okay, here we go. Woo, look like a Dementor. Anyway, I'm glad I listened to myself and got this size, because it would have looked too silly. So how do they style it in the videos? I don't know how they style it. Oh, okay. I don't know how they style it, but they kind of like curl it up and then like pull the strings. Is that how it's done? I don't know. I have no idea. I'm not fashion conscious, but I like it. It's got a little flappy at the back there. It's got thick elastic here, and then obviously the two drawstrings on the side there and there. And then we've got a zip down to here, but I have it up to cover the stuff. And then we've got a massive, massive hood on the back, which is good in wet weather. Once again, I love this set. It's very cute. I forgot to mention in the last one how high-waisted they go in the last set, but they go very high-waisted. I didn't really realize until I put these on. But yeah, the drawstring's great. They're very high-waisted, so they don't fall down when I do exercise. They're very well-fitting, except for the bras, of course, which I would definitely change to or get sizes to accommodate the fuller, more coverage women. So that's the only thing I would put out there, but we shall see in the years to come if not that happens. But I really like this set. I think I'll wear it all day, maybe not. Might wear the jacket and then just put some pajama pants on or something. But yeah, I very much enjoyed doing this. This is like the first real like try on haul I've ever done, so that's exciting. And yeah, it's taken me a long time to film this, so I'm just gonna come in nothing close. Would definitely buy more of, oh my god, my hair, sorry. More of Sarah's activewear. But yeah, once again, I probably would steer clear of the bras if you are a bit fuller. Also on that note, before I forget, the sizing is an extra large. So if I had gone a bigger size, it would be way too big along these bits, because this fits perfectly, but not at the front, as you can tell. So I'll probably wear the speckled bra more than I would this one, because like right now, like my boobs are just falling out of the top incredibly. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, because it will really support my tiny little growing channel. I will see you in the next video. Like and subscribe please, because it really helps, and comment down below if you have any suggestions of activewear that I should try, because I love activewear, and now that I'm probably going to get rid of my old sets and just keep Sarah's days, I might need a bit more. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.